Okay. At present, I don't have the power cable for this, so I've inserted some D-cell batteries at the back. It takes 8 in total. So I'm going to fire up the radio now and give you a little demo.
In Great Britain, please don't do that in Northern Ireland because the stakes are too high. The peace process.
Are you suggesting it's more fragile as a result of this action?
No, in fact, before it, I mean, I would have said that it is fragile. I mean, clearly it's not that long ago since a journalist was killed in Northern Ireland. We see a lot of temperature being raised on both sides. We saw a loyalist group saying that they withdrew from the peace process. We see other on the nationalist side.
But the reason, sorry, but it's just that you brought it. It's just that you brought it up, and there would be plenty of people who say that actually it was the EU's actions over Article 16 which have destabilised things, as you mentioned within the.
If I was a student, would have liked to have heard Amber Rudd and possibly given her a hard time.
Wider issues in the relationship. It's something that's been suggested of Lord Frost, that his approach is, well, quite strong, shall we?
No way. Yeah, it's like, it's a big event, isn't it? Yeah. It's a long time. Up for it, though. Well up for it. John the joiner in Hereford says, late night, you better be on form like you were last time.
And it was extraordinary. The 16 with the Allegri.
And a throwback from Tayo Cruz in moments. Dynamite of Pirate. Daytime in the dark.
Last year, I mean, what happened was it was immediately perceived as a breach of international law by Britain, which was a surprise to all of us, that a nation like Britain firmly position for a modern, open economic country to take. So I think this is certainly an option that you will be supporting the European Union, whatever it does. But I would say that from Britain's point of view, it is not enough going back on legal agreements that it has entered into, because, quite frankly, other nations around the world are going to look, what are they at? What are they doing?
Signal is the issue. Now, one trick on Signal, there are...
Okay, you get the idea. That's shortwave. Doesn't seem to pick anything up on shortwave, so well, not much anyway. So I won't try and pick up any stations for you on shortwave. So yeah, as you can hear, it's working, and obviously with the FM, you're getting the best quality sound there. Bit of crackle on this volume, which has improved a lot since I cleaned it. Nice sound. Turn on this automatic tuning. It gets a bit on and off. So I decided it's better to avoid that, really.
There's still a lot of trade.
Obviously, if it's a strong signal, it's fine. If it's not strong enough, it will flicker a bit. So there we are.
it Griff are the band, as in, I guess, Griff Rhys-Jones, and well, I can't hear him
Doesn't
there.
seem to
Black
lock,
Hole is called.
but
So
when
also
I
in this
first
show we will
opened
talk
it,
about
it was a real
loving
job
the
to
noise
open.
for the first time from your local
Anyway,
playground.
it's not
So you
broken.
might, listen,
Just
we'd love you to
not-
get in touch with you, somebody who's complained before about the noise from the playground, and now you're thinking,
Let's turn it off. So yeah, I wouldn't say the battery compartment perhaps locks in as well as it probably used to, but you could easily improve on that by widening it a little. Anyway, there we are. A beautiful piece of proper quality Sony portable radio equipment. Thanks for watching.